Hello everyone. Now I will show you two powerful attributes of input type file element of HTML. First, multiple. With multiple, we can upload multiple files. How many we want to upload? With that multiple, we can upload only one file. I am not able to select multiple files now. Second, except. We can type here what kind of files we want to allow uploading. I am typing .mp4. Now I can only upload a .mp4 file. There are many files here. These files are not showing because these files are not allowed to be uploaded. I am typing another file extension .png. .png files are showing because these files are allowed to be uploaded. Let me check another file extension .jpeg. The jpeg files are appears because it is also allowed now. I am typing another file extension .rar. The rar files are also appeared because it is also allowed now. If I remove the except property, I will be able to upload any type of file. I am uploading a .jpeg file, uploading a PDF file, and a .png file. Finally uploading a .rar file. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.